All right, Win the Storm 2020 has started. Brad, you just got off stage. Now, you're the CEO of Lightspeed. For those who don't know about Lightspeed, tell them what it's about.
Lightspeed is a training technology. SVG is based on it. It's a web-based interactive training technology that allows people to, skill up.
Tell us about your experience here at Win the Storm.
Man, it's a great crowd. I love this industry, and these people are like badasses. So it's been fun. Well, if you're not here, you're missing out on a lot of industry expertise. He's bringing in Michael Gerber, Robert Kiyosaki, a lot of different speakers and organizations to bring you the industry's best, most current information. And if you're not here, it's because you don't know or you don't care. And either way, that's a problem.
Thank you so much, Brad. Enjoy your Win the Storm 2020.
Thank you.